And it took billions of years for this mud and rainwater from millions of different planets that crashed into this earth and kept chipping off pieces of those planets and leaving them behind. So they finally got together, and one of them had a little bit of life in it because it was moving. And it grew, and it grew, and it grew. And we come to where we are today. Some of us have started backing up because they think their great-grandfathers are still monkeys. But some of us believe that there's more to it than that. So let's keep evolving. Let's keep going. Let's see what we're going to turn into in millions and millions of years. Well, no one knows how long we've been here. Have we been here a million years, a billion years? Didn't they find the jawbone of something they called Lucy, and it was several million years old? It couldn't be 100,000 years old. Evolution couldn't happen that quickly. So, what was it? Well, no one really knows. Some people say it was a jawbone of a pig. But in any case, we're going to keep evolving. So what we're going to do is keep going and start creating AIs, artificial intelligence, because that's better than living beings that evolution created. So let's create something so that we can sit down and get fat and let the AI do our work. We won't have to work. We'll have our own AI that works for us. There'll be no need to leave that chair except to go take your behind to the restroom and let the AI keep bringing you food. Then one day there's no need to leave the chair because you'll have everything plugged up to you so that you can go to the restroom where you sit, and the AI will take care of it. So the AI gets smarter and smarter and smarter, and you sit longer and longer and longer. So why are we here? We don't need these feet and toes anymore. We don't do anything. The AI does it for us. So the feet and the toes go away, and we keep going, and then next thing you know, a few 100 years down the road, then the legs go away. Well, we didn't need the legs. We didn't get out of our chair. We let the AI do everything for us. So time goes by, another dozen or 2 years, and then you got, there's no need for these hips here, but we got to keep some kind of padding. But let's get an AI to make us something so that our torso can sit in. And they did, and we sat, and the legs were gone, the knees were gone. And then continued, and wow, let the AI make something for us so that we won't even have to worry about letting the AI clean us up and take the pollution away that we expel. So just do away with the body and let the head remain. Wow, we're happy. We'll let AI do everything for us. Wow, where'd all the fun go? AI, that's the fun now. So you know what? Let's go back and get a body. And AI says, no, we got it. But AI, I want to have fun. I want to get out of here. I want to do something. AI said, just set your butt down. You're done. We own it now. So the AI took over. And the sad thing is, they got on that other evolution. They fired that baby up and rode off in the sunset on your Harley Davidson. Jody Wolf Expoz.